and gentlemen, will you please take your seats? The curtain will rise in 2 minutes.
Wait done 2 minutes.
Ladies and gentlemen, will you please take your seats? The curtain will rise in 1 minute.
What the hell is going on?
I didn't know you were here.
I'm not. I'm a candidate of all places for Herky Forever class.
Well, sweetheart, I'm home and...
Yes. Okay, I can't listen to 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute. It's a matinee, honey. We're old. We have to be like racehorses. So when we hear 3 minutes, we don't run into the stalls. When we hear 1 minute, so we hold our horses. I don't know what's going on.
There's great dramas in the dressing room.
Yes, we're having great dramas out there. Yes, matinee. What was it?
You know, Lloyd, there's something I want to tell you.
Tell me, okay, go ahead.
Yes, well, I was out today and I had some time for the show.
Yes.
And I thought you had to know because, you know...
Listen, you have to tell me later. I don't know
Right now.
Okay.
You got my message?
Yes, I've got many messages and I'm here.
Why didn't you answer?
I'm here, aren't I?
Oh, well, Lloyd, there's something I've really got to tell you.
Go on then. I mean, you've already touched my clothes.
Well, okay, let's just...
Okay, right. Yes, you
And, you know... And... Well, oh, Brooke!
Oh, no.
In my dressing room.
In your dressing... Okay, Lloyd, this is getting completely out of control.
Right, yes.
Lloyd!
Oh, Brooke.
Lloyd!
Yes, got one in. Mwah.
You got my messages?
Yes, and came running, didn't you see?
Oh, and Lloyd, you've got to have a talk.
Talk, yes, right.
So when?
Later, yes, hold on. Flowers.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Oh,
Do you have
handouts
flowers?
for me.
Do you have any?
Yes, cheer me up. Lloyd, you know...
Okay, right, hold on, sweetie. Yes, next time you see that little butt of chance, kick it for me, all right?
But violence, my nose.
All right, I don't care about your nose.
Wait, what about Dottie?
I don't care about Dottie.
What about Gary?
I don't really care about Gary either.
And what about the old guy, Felton?
Who cares about Sheldon? He's probably drunk. Okay, the show is beyond directing. I'm just going to sit out there in the darkness with my sugar-free gummy bears, of course, and try to enjoy it. Now, the last call was 1 minute. Your brains go back that far.
Lloyd, wait, it is you? No,
Anyone's going to talk to Lloyd, it's going to be me.
I have a good mind to put my coat on and walk out this door right here now.
Well, Brooke, if you don't want to perform, I'm sure Poppy would love to try your part.
I beg your pardon.
Honestly. Okay, Brooke, why don't you sit down? Come over here. Just fine. Sit down and do your meditation, okay? And Poppy, sweetheart, can you go see what's going on with Donnie and Gary? And
I said something.
Where's